This is my second transplant, and the first experience was not as great. After many places of visit, I thought I was feeling very comfortable when I came to New Roots. However, New Roots has actually restored my confidence in a hair transplant therapy. My name is Prasad Nair. I work in the finance industry. I thought of undergoing a hair transplant, and after many places of visit, I thought I was feeling very comfortable when I came to New Roots. I met up Dr. Sanjana. One of the things I must tell you is that this is my second transplant, and the first experience was not as great. However, New Roots has actually restored my confidence in a hair transplant therapy. One of the things that I've noticed is they make the atmosphere so conducive for a patient to undergo hair transplant. The staff over here, be it Dr. Sanjana, be it the technicians, they make everything so conducive, comfortable for the patient that you have so much of confidence in them, and they also take out that extra bit of time so that you feel more comfortable. I actually was undergoing hair transplant for a lot of hours when I came here because it was 3,500, 4,000 grafts. But the kind of patience that the staff has is amazing. I would definitely recommend New Roots. It's a strong recommendation from me because the very fact that I've experienced it, and it's been a wonderful experience. I'm just waiting for the post results as well. After 3 months, I'll come back and give you another review on this. Thank you so much. All the best.